Hey everyone, welcome back to the How-FixIT channel. Today, I'll walk you through the steps of replacing the battery in your Nintendo Switch Pro controller. Let's go over the tools you'll need for this simple replacement. You'll require a small Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and of course, a compatible replacement battery. Make sure to check the video description for links to recommended batteries and tools. Now let's jump into the step-by-step process. Start by flipping your controller over and removing the screws. Keep them in a safe place. You'll need them later. Use the plastic opening tool to carefully pry open the controller. Now we have access to the battery, and it's time to disconnect it. I've left a link to the replacement battery for the Nintendo Switch Pro controller in the description below. Take your new battery, connect it to the controller, and test it. Now that you've successfully replaced your battery, here are some recommendations for a calibration procedure. When you first install the new battery, give it a full charge before diving into an extended gaming session. This helps calibrate the battery and ensures accurate power readings. Keep in mind that constantly connecting the controller to the charger accelerates battery degradation. Instead, let the battery drain to around 20% before recharging. This practice helps maintain the overall health of the battery. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to replace the battery in your Nintendo Switch Pro controller. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more do-it-yourself guides, and share it with your fellow gamers. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!